Good morning friends. Today we discuss about syllabus of second year BSc Zoology semester 3rd. In June 2020 the syllabus of SYBSc is changed. In first year BSc we study two papers of zoology and one practical paper of zoology. In semester 3rd, we study two theory papers and one practical paper of zoology. The syllabus is available on university website. In semester 3rd, we have three papers. First paper is Animal Diversity 3rd. Second paper is Applied Zoology 1st. Third paper is Zoology Practical paper. Both three papers are for 2 credits and the marking scheme for each subject is 15 marks for internal and 35 marks for external exam. Total 50 marks for each subject. In paper first, Animal Diversity 3rd. Course code is ZO231. In this paper, we have total 6 chapters. First chapter is Introduction to Phylum Chordata. Second chapter is Introduction to Group Protochordata. Third chapter is Introduction to Subphylum Vertebrata. Fourth chapter is Introduction to Class Pisces. Fifth chapter is Introduction to Class Amphibia and sixth chapter is Study of Scoliodon. The sixth chapter is important for our syllabus. This is very large and important chapter. We study this chapter briefly. In first chapter we see origin and ancestry of chordates. Second topic is comparative account of fundamental characters of chordates with non-chordates. Third topic is silent features of phylum Chordata. Fourth topic is classification of phylum Chordata up to classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. In second chapter, two topics. First topic is silent features of Protochordata. Second topic is silent features of subphylums with two examples: Hemichordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata. In chapter 3rd, Introduction to Subphylum Vertebrata, we see silent features of vertebrata. Second topic is Introduction and general characters of sections with two examples: Agnatha and Gnathostomata. In chapter 4, Introduction to Class Pisces, we see silent features of class Pisces, introduction and silent feature of sections with two examples: chondrichthyes and osteichthyes, types of scales in fishes, and fourth topic is types of fins in fishes. In chapter 5, we study silent features of class Amphibia. Second topic is Introduction to order Apoda, Irodella and Anura. Third topic is parental care in amphibians. Sixth chapter is Study of Scoliodon. In this chapter we study total 8 topics. First topic is systematic position, geographical distribution, habitat. Second topic is external characters of Scoliodon. Third topic is digestive system, food and feeding mechanism. Fourth topic is respiratory system, structure of hollow branch only. Fifth topic is external and internal structure of heart, working of heart. Sixth topic is nervous system, brain only. Seventh topic is male urinogenital system and female reproductive system. Last topic of 6th chapter is yolk sac, placenta. This is the detailed syllabus of paper first. You can write down the syllabus or you can download the PDF of SYBSE Zoology syllabus from university website. Second paper is Applied Zoology first. Course code ZO232. In this paper we have two chapters. First chapter is sericulture and second is agricultural pest and their control. In chapter first we study first topic is introduction to sericulture, study of different types of silk moths, their distribution, taxonomic position and varieties of silk production in India, mulberry, tassar, eri and muga silk moths, external morphology and life cycle of Bombyx mori. Third topic is cultivation of mulberry, varieties of cultivation, rain-fed and irrigated mulberry cultivation, fertilizer schedule, pruning method and leaf yield. Fourth topic is harvesting of mulberry, leaf plucking, branch cutting, whole shoot cutting. Silkworm rearing, varieties of rearing house, rearing techniques, important diseases and pests. Sixth topic is preparation of cocoons for marketing. Seventh topic is post harvest processing of cocoons, stippling, sorting, storage, deep flowing and riddling. B. Cocoon cooking, reeling equipment and re-reeling, washing and polishing. Eighth topic and last topic of first chapter is biotechnological and biomedical applications of silk. Second topic is agricultural pests and their control. In this chapter we study first topic introduction to agricultural pests, types of pests, agricultural, store grain and veterinary pests, major insects of agricultural importance, marks of identification, life cycle, nature and damage and control measures of following insects we study in detail. We give 8 insect pests. They are jor stem borer, red cotton bug, brinjal fruit borer, mango stem borer, blister beetle, rice weevil, pulse beetle, tick. Third topic of second chapter is non-insect pests, rats, crabs, snails and squirrels. Fourth topic of second chapter is pest control practices in brief, cultural control, physical control, mechanical control, chemical control, biological control, pheromonal control, atocidal control and concept of IPM in brief. Last topic of paper second and chapter second is plant protection appliances, shoulder type rotary duster, knapsack sprayer and cyanogas pump. We discuss two paper syllabus in detail in this video. In next video we start from paper first and chapter number first, introduction to phylum Chordata, and the topic of next lecture is origin and ancestry of chordates. So thank you friends.